Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use same WhatsApp on your two iPhone. So simply I'm provide full guide and very easy way. Don't skip my video. So at first open your WhatsApp and need to install WhatsApp another iPhone. Okay. Press on to agree and continue. Press on three dot. Press on the first option. Then you get this QR code. And this iPhone, press on your profile. Press on. Okay. And I'm just press on scan option. So you just scan this QR code on from old iPhone. Click on to continue. Press on continue. And try again. Okay, alright. Now successfully transfer my WhatsApp. So look here, the same account